What's up, dude?
Hey, man, what's up?
Guess what I got?
What'd you get?
Oh, nothing. Just took a trip down to Lowe's.
Oh,
Got me a little tape measure.
Nice.
Nothing too special. Watch out. Watch out.
oh my gosh, say.
Watch out.
All right.
Okay. 3D movie, gonna get it. How
Yeah.
long did that do? Come on, spitball. We're in fast fire. Come on.
3 feet. That's
That's pretty good eye, pretty good eye, pretty good eye, pretty good eye. Let's go. How tall are you? You say you're about
6 foot.
Yeah, okay. You ain't lying. You ain't lying. You ain't lying. Let's see this one. Oh, that's pretty good right there. That's pretty good. Turn off the lights real quick. You want me to turn off the lights real quick? Look at them.
I'd love to see you try.
There you go.
Wow.
Turn back on. Just cut it. Just cut it. Oh, got it. Watch out, snake bite.
Oh my God.
All right. What else can we measure? Come on, get in here. I've always wondered how long this couch is. Oh. It's half a foot. How many is it? This thing can go up to 12 fucking feet. Wait a minute, so that's 12 in a foot?
Yep. But why are you talking like this? What are you
Oh,
wearing?
man. This is my outfit.
I've never seen you wear this before.
Down the Lowe's, man. Yeah, look at that.
That is debatable.
Yep.
No, I don't think so.
Right. That's about right.
I think you're lying.
15, yeah.
Okay.
This thing got millimeters up there for you?
I don't think I've. Oh, yeah. I don't think I've ever seen you wear that hat before.
There you go. Damn, you got any coke hanging on you?
Oh, I don't. And I don't even know why you're asking because I don't think you even do tobacco.
Man, that's my lifeblood right there.
What?
I'll live by it. I'll be packing dips all day long. I ain't going to the store get me. I guess I'm out. I got that wintergreen skull.
This doesn't seem accurate.
Let's get that fridge.
What are you?
There you go. Fuck, I can't read that far. Watch out, I might bite you.
Oh, yeah, you keep doing that.
Got you every time. Got you every
Yeah,
time.
I guess so.
Let's see how the door is. That's too fast. I can't even read that.
Then why are you measuring? What are you looking at?
That's about right. All right.
What are you looking at? What do you?
What do you think that is? About 3 feet right there.
From top to bottom?
That's about 3 feet, I think.
I don't think that's.
I can't even reach that far, so I'll say about 3.
What's the point of the measuring tape?
Oh, but I can fix this with this.
I would not put metal in there.
That thing's already fixed. Don't fix what ain't broke. You know what I'm saying? General Electric. That's my Bernalaw's brand. You know that. Oh, let's get over here. You got any bourbon?
Why are you talking like this? Who? You said you were going out and you came back with a measuring tape and these new clothes.
That's what I wear.
It is certainly not.
Oh, almost reached it. I can reach it. It's 12 foot right there.
Were you still trying to hit the light bulb? Oh.
Oh.
Are you
Yes,
okay,
sir.
man? Are you okay, man? What is going on?
What happened? What's going on? Why is my chest hair out?
You showed up with a measuring tape.
Whose cowboy boots are these?
These clothes aren't yours?
No. I was gonna go get some food. I don't know what happened.
You showed up with a measuring tape like it was new technology.
Don't touch that.
What?
No.
What? 3, no, go.
There's the whole video. There goes the whole video.
BTS tonight.
This is not the Purple Bear production.
I don't like